have a feeling I can't explain. I headed off this morning to go on the 2022 Black Dog ride, the one-day ride, leaving from Busselton. And it's got this feeling of unease. Why are some cars so noisy? Probably the same reason some Harleys are noisy. I don't know what it is. I've been looking forward to this ride. Just a feeling of, I don't know, something's not right. So I've pulled off to the side of the road. I haven't actually gone into Busselton. I turned off before Busselton. I'm in an area called Unease. And yeah, especially riding from Busselton to Nannup, then to Manjimup. The Black Dog rides are always well organised, pretty strict ride formations and sticking to speed limits, and always a good ride, but something's not smelling right today and I can't put my finger on it, so I'm thinking about turning around and going home. So there's just a few things this morning that sort of, before I left home, you know, normal start, normal get up, good sleep, and I was just sort of a little bit tardy getting away for no reason, no particular reason. On the way out, it's been raining. No, it hasn't been raining, it's been drizzling during the night and odd showers, and I thought, well, that's okay. I'm used to riding in the wet, got some good wet weather gear. And I put my wet weather gear on, and these stirrups, I call them stirrups, they're not really stirrups, they just hold the pants down around your boots. And anyway, riding along, one of them had come unclipped. Dog on it, so I pull over, clip it up, get going again. Not a few more minutes down the road, the other side had come off unclipped. What? So this happened 3 times. Stop, pull over. This is what sort of has led to it. Riding along a bit more, and there's a car on the side of the road, all its front smashed in, and looks like a bit of a nasty one. Am I just being, I don't know, dramatic? I don't know. I don't often get that feeling of foreboding, or I have learnt over the years to take note and just go with your gut feel. If something doesn't smell right, doesn't feel right, don't go there, don't go with it. So I'm going a different way, but don't know where I'm going. But anyway, I find myself in Unease, standing next to a plaque to Spanish Settlers Reserve. Which I didn't know there were Spanish settlers in the southwest of WA. Got a text from my brother to say to call in and have a coffee on my way back from the ride, so I might ring him and see if we can do an early coffee instead of that afternoon one. Yeah, so what was going to be probably a video of the 2022 Black Dog ride, or Black Dog one-dayer, isn't going to be that. That's all. It's going with a gut feeling. I'm just not doing it. See ya. Furthermore, when I registered for the ride, yes, paid my money, because Black Dog rides, it's all about raising money to donate to Lifeline, Beyond Blue, programs like that for mental health. And I quite like the idea of that. So anyway, I paid my money. Then it wasn't until last night I was looking at the receipt and I realised I'd actually registered for a virtual ride, not the actual Busselton day ride. So virtual ride means if you can't make it to an organised ride, you go on your own ride. So maybe that was the hint there. Yeah, registered for a virtual ride, the ride you have when you're not having a ride, maybe. So anyway, that sort of adds to it. And I might just leave it at that. I'm having my virtual ride. Alright, I'll go back to my brother's for a coffee in Busso. Had a great night with them last night actually. They called in at our place and we shared a meal together and had a laugh and did some serious stuff as well. So it was a good catch up. I just happened to find myself in his hometown, so, well, almost. I'll turn around, I might take your weather gear off now. Cloud's gone high and hasn't had any drizzle for half an hour or so. Yeah, I'm waffling. I'm still stalling a bit. Okay, see ya. Better stop you, ain't I? So it's about 4 hours since I last recorded anything, and I turned around from where I was and contacted my brother and I went and had a chat and a coffee with he and Xenia, and it was good, just another catch up, and he makes a nice coffee too. So I'm now at the Buoyant Up Sale Yards. Why I'm at the Buoyant Up Sale Yards? Well, I had to get off that main road because the traffic was horrendous. So this is a side track, there's not many people here, it's a little bit peaceful, some nice trees, and the sale yards where we buy and sell our cattle from. So we get a carrier to pick them up from our place and bring them here, and the sales happen for cattle over in the yards over there, and calves here. And look at this, no cameras. I got that wrong, it's the camera there. So I didn't go on the ride per se, I'm on my virtual ride and heading home. I just contacted Jenny and I'm probably 3/4 an hour away from home, and she's making a bit of lunch right now, so good timing. She's going to make some for me too, aren't I lucky?